Welcome back to the channel, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most legendary coins in American numismatic history, the 1909 Lincoln wheat penny. This is no ordinary coin. It's not just a 1-cent piece, it's a symbol of history, artistry, and patriotism. Many collectors dream of owning it, especially the rare 1909 SVDB variety. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this coin is so special, how it came to be, and how much it's worth today. So let's get started. Birth of the Lincoln cent. The year 1909 marked the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. To honor the 16th President of the United States, the U.S. Mint decided to redesign the cent, replacing the Indian head cent, which had been in circulation since 1859. This was a groundbreaking moment because, for the first time, a U.S. circulating coin featured a real historical figure. President Theodore Roosevelt himself wanted American coins to look more beautiful and dignified. Reflecting the nation's strength, the Mint commissioned Lithuanian-American sculptor Victor David Brenner, whose initials, VDB, would later spark controversy. Design of the 1909 Lincoln wheat penny. Brenner's design was simple but powerful. Obverse, front a right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln with the inscriptions, "In God We Trust, Liberty, and the Year 1909." Reverse, back two stalks of wheat framing the words, 1 cent, and United States of America. Above it was the motto, E Pluribus Unum. The wheat design gave the coin its popular nickname, the wheat penny. The famous VDB controversy. Brenner placed his initials VDB prominently at the bottom of the reverse side. Some officials and critics thought the initials were too large and looked like free advertising. As a result, the Mint quickly ordered their removal. This decision created two distinct types in 1909:1, 1909 VDB cents, with initials, 2, 1909 plain cents, without initials. Because the VDB coins were only struck for a short time, they became instantly collectible. Philadelphia versus San Francisco. Mint. In 1909, two mints produced the Lincoln wheat cent. Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark; San Francisco Mint, with an S mint mark. And here's where things get interesting. 1909 VDB, Philadelphia around 27 million struck. Not super rare but still desirable. 1909 SVDB, San Francisco only 484,000 coins minted, making it one of the rarest and most famous U.S. coins of the 20th century. 1909 without VDB, Philadelphia about 72 million minted, fairly common. 1909 S without VDB, around 1.8 million minted, scarcer but not as legendary as the SVDB value of the 1909 Lincoln wheat penny. Now let's talk about what collectors really want to know, the value. 1. 1909 VDB, Philadelphia, with initials, in worn condition, $5, $15 in uncirculated condition, $50, $200 plus 2, 1909, Philadelphia, no VDB, common date coin. Value ranges, $2 to $10 in circulated grades, up to $100 in higher mint states. 3. 1909 S, no VDB, more scarce. Value ranges, $70 to $300 in circulated condition, up to $2,000 plus for higher grades. 4. 1909 SVDB, the holy grail for penny collectors, circulated condition, $600 to $1,000 minimum. High grade examples, $2,500, $5,000 plus. Gem quality, certified coins can reach tens of thousands of dollars at auction. The 1909 SVDB is considered a must-have key date for Lincoln cent collectors. Historical importance beyond its market value. The 1909 Lincoln wheat penny has a deep cultural significance. It celebrated Lincoln at a time when America was still healing from the Civil War. It became a symbol of American unity, strength, and respect for history. It also set the precedent for future U.S. coins to honor real leaders. Interestingly, the design lasted a long time. The wheat penny was struck from 1909 until 1958, after which it was replaced by the Lincoln Memorial Reverse in 1959, marking the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. Collecting tips. If you're thinking of collecting the 1909 Lincoln cent, here are some things to keep in mind. 1. Check for authenticity. Counterfeits, especially of the 1909 SVDB, exist. Always buy from trusted dealers or get coins certified by grading companies like PCGS or NGC. 2. Condition matters. A heavily worn 1909 SVDB might sell for $800, but a mint state example could be worth 10 times more. Point 3. Look for red versus brown color. Copper coins change color over time. Red, RD bright copper, highest value. Red brown, RB some original luster remains, brown, BN darker, most common, lower value. Point 4. Storage. Keep your coins in protective holders to prevent oxidation and damage. Investment potential. The 1909 wheat penny, especially the SVDB, continues to be a strong investment. Demand is always high because nearly every Lincoln cent collector wants it. Prices have steadily risen over decades, especially for certified mint state coins. That it's not just a coin, it's a cornerstone of American coin collecting. The 1909 Lincoln wheat penny is more than a simple 1-cent coin. It represents the first U.S. coin to honor a real person, the artistry of Victor David Brenner. A moment in history when America celebrated one of its greatest presidents. Whether you own the common 1909, the collectible 1909 VDB, or the rare 1909 SVDB, each coin carries a piece of history in your hand. So next time you come across an old wheat penny, take a closer look. You might just be holding a small fortune. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about rare and valuable coins from around the world.